Okay, so I've been working a little bit with intermediate number 8. All right. Just do what you know. You know you got a vertical, and you know you got your 30s. And you know you got to cut that off somewhere. Let's cut it off here. One of the things you can do is kind of take your pencil if you want to figure out proportions. Right, we can go ahead and keep that vertical, keep that vertical, keep that vertical. So then we're going to come in here, make that lower base that intersects there. So this guy, wherever it hits on this vertical line, try to define that a little bit. That'll give us our base right here. So we have, let's go ahead and darken some of this. It's a rectangular solid. I'm not going to darken the back ones, because the next thing I sketch up. All right, so if we go in, make a parallel line there. If we go in that far, that's where the corner is. Keep this going parallel. Same offset off the edge. And that kind of gives us our 4 corners. We can take that up. Then wherever we determine to put that, make this one actually, I'll make it a little thinner. So I change it up there. I want that to come up a little bit more. All right, and I can darken this in. So I know I'm going to keep those. Right, so this would have to still be run parallel. All right, so now we can kind of put this back behind here. Those are the lines that really sell that depth perception on there. Okay, so we're going to have to go over a little bit. Let's say this far. Where it hits that, it's got to run parallel. Right, so there's another point. Vertical, vertical, oops. We need a vertical here. Another thing to think about, if those are all going to be parallel, this line will be the same distance as this one, same distance as that one. Okay, and then that one will hit right on that center point. And so will this one. So what you're going to see here is this one will now tuck behind there. This should hit the vertical. This should hit the vertical. Same length, same height. Darken this. Right? So that's the shape. The proportions are a little off because it's a lot taller. But that's how you set that up. Parallel, parallel, look at all those parallel lines going that way, a lot of parallel lines going this way, all lines up on that vertical. That's intermediate number 8.